Mema akwaba emfa umbra Ghana nsem TV GH so wo friend me adwoa searching.
You see polyclinics, now me see Chiefs compound, now me more hospital beds. To the extent they say me ya theater say oba be wa because me man want me and send in a cesarean section. Eti ebe transfer oba ni be fika so abedu Kolebu anase rage no anase 37 no anase police hospital no wuni mu ni ebesi.
Yes.
Eti me share that theater. Ewo mother and care. Ene oba yesi a day no mutumi ye ma be 20 cesarean section a day. Ewo kaswa incubator ukọ necessary am incubator si wo
Kaswa ho
for prima ewo kaswa mother and child me incubator si wo for premature children hospital beds dey yenka me mama private hospitals in Nabi. When it comes to roads, and now kaswa roads are ya construct work kaswa, you have no idea. Almost the whole of Kaswa Konebia and at least one road leading to another area constructed and are still under construction.
Yep.
And when we talk about security, they bobo
number one.
Because I was so mutumi bo nipa any property who buy. Me top pickers my police for me finish your office. Me to motorbikes. Me last year September. Now me ma Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia ever commission police regional headquarters.
Yes,
Bonsam.
Yes.
I containing 24 rooms.
24 rooms.
24 offices. Homo. With I hear friend saying corridors and then kaho rooms and kasane conference room. Nini na
24.
Bako 24. Ya yebi amakaswa eti yeja legacy. Yeja legacy wakaswa.
Wow.
So it is a project and I say human development and kaya de and can say you lose but to buy anything. Tsunami I see ye. Na ya ansu ye ni huni pa ya say abobi bekawa if you want to mem.
Onoa.
Owi no ko gina ho no hwe na osre me.
Ai.
Hawa Koomson mama na lusu. Ana mama me lusu ye na wunya ade en.
Na wunya ade. Na wunya ade.
Na party no ko opposition ye nya ade en. It is an idea na akoye.
Yo, mame, eniama no, say so far the wakeka ni na de there what the wakeka mu ne say ade a ye de yani hu ni yare ye funuka into obi a we wo kan ye enkrofo kra start credit trotro ase. Oh yes, it's true. Oh yes, we miss you. And we are missing honorable Hawa. And because yen mo kra yen to constituency kra na madam. Yes, I have you. Now me own. You see, it's your you see, say Obishia first day. No one. The first thing you get is a rubber. When we rubber. But my rubber in fulu. Because the ban is one sorry in Aswa or best sorry in pena. Sa wo skills kakra. Odane do a parliament 2020. Ransana we yaba swear in. A hundred moves and all me from that day now me say that's this side. Because honorable a man no cry Jane, a man no cry me came. Na KK Judas et wesum na no one to trade about this pia on na cop and tokaba and a moment and tokaba so no Jane and tokaba wesum na no. And we dream what I say, who pian crofo, and I think say for me personally, I know you and I know the work you have done. Internet good. Mame, on life there, say a kasi ye komwa adia bechi. I just me bisa about unuma waya evidence. Bibi to say one village, one dam. Mama, me ankasa. Me name a driver. Yeah, back north. This was 2019. Me back Ghana no. Me who dams nibi. Yeah, Juma.
Wow.
Oh yes.
Wow.
Oh yes. I have videos. Yeah, Juma. Na enkrofo SBD ye omo no buy any ade.
Yeah.
Back to Canada now, me better say Sami Jemfia a press conference say onye dam back okra. In fact, sada no me bufu enunti and na nini na count them say twe me di me be political communication mu. Cause me say entrono propaganda ni more Ghana politics mo change than okra no. Ade ne da okra obi betuma be twa ne tro. Me nim me aka ever Joe. Mommy, yam visited dams crowd off one no. Yam visited dams can 20 dams. I'm telling you.
Yeah.
And Joy News. Esukoye who documentary the by says Sana was over 200 and something dams.
Oh yeah.
And so yet now MNDC for bedada and say you see dam down and for the board in bonnet. Now sending in an plan, na agenda. There me person me business say. Eba me saying. And now ye day as a one kwa Adi din when people may be near the amount. Why is it so? Why do you always have to take on the hardest tax as a woman?
It's a gift from God.
Okay.
Na obi biara so obehu biara so nim say ye dey taxi man na obetumi aye.
Funny enough, yeah.
Because my appearance will say, you remind me of Madame Fubio NDC ni those days, or NDC ni lawyer ni. Now or to na ba wala pass into 2012 no transfer ni vote back aswa. Or say how I made me vote baba beto abama wo Hawa Koomson. Na moment to my presidential candidate. Na me so aden. Or say ba na rabe mu a wo ho.
Number one.
Eba na form for so a wo ho.
Yes.
Eba no zongo say any social so a wo ho.
Yes.
And that is why I want to transfer. And he voted for me to say me fi akonwa no.
Wow. Wow.
Next 4 years no be transfer ni vote no. Asande abala pass ho bio. And adwuma no what the mammy a me yeso a me yefi makumam. Mempe ade animguase ebe ma me. Eti me ye ade a me yi makumam nyina na me ye. Sa obeka say ye de adwuma ma Hawa Koomson oba ye wantumi anye ni ye ne nim egu ase.
No correct.
And ambulance na mu krom ha say ye a obi ewu. 307 ambulance. I have been seeing the history of this country da. Me ko procurement no na was me ko to 275.
275.
Me too mana mo ba Germany. Berlin. Na me ko Mercedes na me no mu ko di nkomo. No mo si 4x4 na wo gine de say ye ntumi ye nye enu bi ma Africa. The condition in Africa and weather condition is not good for the 4x4. 82x4 no na ye. 89 was say instead of 275 no. Mesa it changes up 4x4 no increasing number no to 307.
Wow.
Me obi a e kan ya me be gusu no kan me dey afa baabi.
Chairman yan call the afa baby. Chairman yan abolo way. Onu anko be wia. Obi anu e be dina so obi adidi ajo obi.
Now I made sure that I monitored the vehicles from Berlin to Turkey. Omo year stocking, omo year consumables bibia, and I always visit to make sure that every stage bia is the way I want it. And that is how I work. One village, one and be a who can answer me, and that's a medium for when you only gonna.
Wow. I told you.
And then one village, one nam, the baby, I have fish pond, omunya fish womb.
Yes.
Baby, especially when you go to the upper east and upper west region.
Correct.
Not the proper stones not add the war. Eti baby or homo. Chenchina hano mo pese yamo obi apese dam ne ben no. But still no it me contain nsuo.
Yes.
Tebedi drought ne nsuo wo mu ne esua.
Yeah.
But you see, the idea.
Yes.
I always make sure I travel from Accra to all the 5 northern regions, to make sure baby I done bedroom maybe I'm a na me monitor.
Yes.
Ye didi mu ana akufo Rebecca say why ye bi. Be say na anyoma si ko ni nti no makola se MSD a me do ko fisheries.
Yes.
Me call fisheries so and then ye bo me di wo fisheries ho. And anu ko hu bi da. And then relief items nti obi say want to me near close season ma artisanal fishermen. They mo koye di ama industrial for. Me wana industry for no so mo no mutua ye friend is saying license ma yenye sika. E to mo so kwa na me mo bibi kakra. Wa mo ma close season wa appreciate wo mo.
Look at that.
Adwuma ne be den na akoso.
Look at that.
Hawa Koomson ebe hu say wo say yetumi ma fisher folks livelihood.
Yeah.
And I started say ye training omo kosua de pam omo kosua etiye omo kosua mason nini na ye ma omo and they are still in the community working and benefiting from it.
Na me tobo ase bobre ko kakransa. Apart from say because me the men I remember when you first announced close season bu ayebu okromu ha.
Yeah.
And you be there say and you be anywhere ya na ha adwini o. Yanti ase. Yen mu bi no sa de na ade ba na yanti ase. So ati ase. But no what was afi a fisher for no penny for na ka say hey sana close season no na yo
Stand here.
And I will say apart from Sanya many na no most time mom livelihood say me ebia me yapuni ba anase punameko but me pese me sua ade pamo a mo ye sa arrangement na me yapuni ba no me san so tumi kosua ensano djuma.
Yes, that's Emma more than 20,000 fisher folks in ma.
Jesus Christ.
Yeah, ma womo. Yeah, ma womo sewing machines. Yeah, ma womo dryer. Yeah, ma womo barbering kits. Yeah, ma womo ni womo de besua. Womo ye masons. Yeah, de ma womo ni na ye bi. Under my watch.
Inti apart from say with the premix ye how am mo cheniama because me
David apart from mo ni nyoma na na ye chema womo ni premise no na ye ma womo sa nyoma no ye de omo kokosua adwuma no. So we write your name. Uba okay, kosua. Ye we are ma sewing machine fa koto adwuma no so.
Okay.
Obi to me ba wo se mesua adwuma na wie mi ni ade a me de koye. Ono so ye ma ni bi.
Na cheso nipa na kosua skills na wie no so per equipment called the best start here. Na under war species na mo to me boa say nipa no.
Na ye to me aboa. Because ye person reduce the pressure on the sea no. Because sea no mo nam no are depleted is all over the world. Ya call conference ya ka ho nsem so na wo say yetumi ye you see ebedu baby na ye other neighboring countries West Africa Togo for one no money now we're learning from Ghana medjuma me Liberia for Nigeria Cote d'Ivoire omuni na omusia and I became their president at that time for 2 years. For 2 years, and I was able to reform all these 5-6 countries.
Apart from the Akufuado, ehu wo do call say kona question and nyamo abonten no. Wo kwa abonten no so no, ye science pejao. Say a mine see ya ubo din we no. Womo ye enam ho adwuma no. Womo awurade yankopon. Womo nka mo humbo a wo enye omo president ya, which means say in terms of policy directive na free ho na eko.
Na free me ho na eko.
Where did we go wrong?
And when I got that opportunity no so man tena ka na nko anya adwuma no. I went to Cote d'Ivoire. I went to Benin. I went to Togo. I went to Liberia. I went to Nigeria. I made sure I traveled all these areas to visit them and see physically say ni aye no more ye saying say if they have issues they come to me. And Liberia people, they came to me to even learn how aquaculture.
Yeah, so we are the buy and yeah.
Yes, salary for ever have a swing send aquaculture.
Yeah, I remember that initiative. Inti mommy question and say, answer and another de wo ko ho no. Mesre wo. Say okay say overting. We so me fansere. NGC yeah, say be one mo de omo nim hwi. One mo say what describe say fish tank you say fish there and there.
Yeah, fish farming.
Fish farming. Emma omo no. Omo antiase. Question am pese bibisa wo mo ne say one Kasano, do you have a fishing background? Why you fish a human da? Na se onye da. Eba ne saying na wo obi a because omo kro omo ya fish ahemfo ntumi amfa close season number. Ya tena Ghana, yenya fishing ministers bebre ba obi ntumi amfa sa adwene number. Inti wo na wo ya outside because me what I know is say you are an educationist. That is what I know of you. Inti how do you metamorphosize yourself into every position? I'm going to go to the point. I've read here. Yes, maybe Koomson. How? I mean, did you have a knowledge about it? And I say you are just like learning on the job. Knowledge bia. But I'm a fast learner. I'm a very fast learner. I do it very easily. We are gifted. And exactly. Send I walk on. What say now almost say my idea was vetting. And I may say the tanks na air fish rearing of fish. And I'm glad this I was able to introduce the aquaculture for food and jobs. No? Yeah. Because I made them to understand they say you can even just get a poly tank. Your friend is not a poly tank, even a bowl. Jerrycan, yeah, cry. Yeah, jerrycan. Yes. Over to me the higher fish. Yes. To real fish with it. Oh yes. China. My definition I can say you can real fish in poly tank, in tanks, no more swimming. I prove them wrong. By putting the policy to work. Exactly. Yes. Yes. And yet theory. And practical. Oh yes. Wow. And so when I got there, I did the practical aspect for them to see. And one of the NDC guys met me at a program. Now I'm in Neka Dagomba. Or say sister. When you say Tiana Yempesa yebe pasu or vetting, no me see there be. Ya see you send a word you my yeti. Yeah. That's it. What over saying your mama ye? And nothing and I am person over Kohono. Let me say, also I'm telling you this. And he was one of the people that fought me on the vetting. Wow. He told me, this is the reason why we didn't want you to go. Now, for this COVID, any Russia, Ukraine war, yeah, by yeah. And Kawa by the Mosika Pan, Kabe higher in general election. And I'm a sister. Yes, and they themselves have seen it. Yes, yes, ampa. Because premise fuel, now you do good tank mu, now explosion, now encrofer wu, ashishi, insurance Ukraine you. But me buy na Dr. Large Mahmoud Baumi akache me say Hawa. I was say we implementing a year automation. And for you to automate the premise fuel, no, you need to build underground tank. Now what bunu to say send you ko bu fuel. Fuel no. Ewo lorry station. And me catch you me can the share radio ni munyam say I did about almost 200 outlets. 200 outlets. Almost 200 outlets. We were to do 300 300 and something. And I did close to 200. I am operational. And this is probably I almost say, sir, automation. I mean, yeah, you know, phone to me, young fool on the end divert. And so they won't use it. Or mama, I a white elephant is you.
And so now our premise fuel on the outlet the fuel 1 tank track kogumwa and kofonu budi kwa eposo esamba ebenya biwom
1
but
tank
because of nkofo interest in tea and then they have stopped it.
There be intino policy ebeboa ye say yanshe that and like this one let me clap for you because manti premix and tokwa from when I most start yes automation no manti premix and tokwa bio to say
yes.
So into any smart government why wouldn't you want to continue something like that?
Or sending crop for bed divert here so we hono menye sikedi. And I mean person or man never bought caninti but we me person or man never bought caninti or see any automation.
Yo mame juma wa ye ne doso egu ha bebre na maybe say bisa ni na poso keten na fe ya man crop chance na o maybe say bisa questions media personally mede say nyankopon de hye wakoma mu say brana bekan ebom as political party mame meti hai say me share that ba mo party mu say me ye adwuma o party mu enche me but me busua de one of them was even your colleague in parliament, the former KD MP. So obeka tinyase is my like I have oh yes, that's my senior father. I'm now, to be honest with you, I haven't been into this party for that, but I've gone through a lot of pain, and all of it is because of your party, no. Mama, baby, I made me to say I make sure your MPP party, no, whereby one person can stand and threaten